Assalamu alaikum everyone. Today we are standing right here in the village Burigonalini, Upojela Shamnagar district Shatkhira. This is the most cyclone prone area which was hit by Amphan last year in 2020, and it was badly affected. As you can see around, this is one of the area where it's surrounded by water, but none of it is in any sense usable in our household or drinkable. That is why HMBD today has finally implemented the water desalination plant, which includes the purification and desalination of the water for around 6,000. The capacity is 6,000 liter, which can provide around 1,000 families. At first, the water comes through the underground pump, which is 600 meters deep, which runs 600 meters deep. It goes into the first tank, is collected in the first tank, which is then passed through the second tank, which contains the layers which removes the initial sedimentation of the water. And then it goes into the plant right here, the structure we are standing in front. Now let's go inside to see how the process is going. As you can see, initially the water comes through the pump on the floor and enters these first three columns. These are called vessels, where all the soluble particles of the water, after desedimentizing the water, is removed, mostly iron in this area, and then the water is pushed through into this piece of equipment over here, which is run through this compressor, the black compressor and the blue filter, and enters into these columns where the exact desalination process takes place. This component does not need any form of external chemicals. After desalinizing the water is passed through this chamber, where it is treated. It's a UV chamber where it's treated with ultraviolet to remove the microorganisms of the water, which makes it perfectly drinkable. Over here we can see the barometers, which shows the level of sweetness and the level of purity and the level of impurity in the water. And finally, the water is collected in this reservoir, which has a capacity of 1,000. So in 1 hour, we can desalinize and purify 1,000 liters of water. Thank you, everyone.